双手左右各一太极球的练习，好比左手托月亮，右手托太阳，身体为大地做依托，相互间的运转，也完美的诠释了天地人的关系。
Practicing Tai Chi with a ball in each hand is like holding the tranquil moon in the left hand and the warm sun in the right, with the body grounded like the earth. This practice is not merely a sequence of movements. It is a vivid embodiment of the harmony between heaven, earth, and humanity. In the rotation of left and right, the practitioner experiences the natural principle of yin and yang complementing each other through balance and coordination. A deeper benefit of this practice is its focus on the 3 circles and 9 rotations of the body. The 3 circles refer to the upper, middle, and lower circles, corresponding to the rotations of the head, chest, and abdomen. The 9 rotations involve the major joints, shoulders, elbows, wrists, hips, knees, and ankles, allowing each to move with flexibility and grace. The movement of the Tai Chi balls facilitates the smooth rotation of each joint and the 3 major circles, promoting overall coordination and flexibility in the body. As the hands alternate in their movements, the whole body's energy flows smoothly, improving circulation, enhancing balance, and building strength while bringing mind and body into a state of unity and relaxation. This exercise not only increases joint flexibility, but also stimulates the healthy functioning of internal organs, greatly benefiting overall health. Each slow, fluid motion becomes an act of nourishing both body and mind, and a profound experience of harmony with